Welcome back to Math Zen, everyone. This video is going to cover numbers 5 and 6 of our Fast Test Prep for 5th grade series. These questions fall under the Number Sense and Operations umbrella. Before we dive in, if you're finding these videos helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos.
Okay, on this slide we have number 5 of our Fast Test Prep for grade 5 under the Number Sense and Operations umbrella. Now would be a good time if you wanted to pause the video, unless you want to see me solve this.
I wonder what the answer is. Let's go ahead and take a look.
Okay, so now that you've had a chance to read the problem, I'll go ahead and read it to you. It says, given the number line below, what is the value of the dot on the number line? So before we get into answering this, I want to read what I have on the post-it notes. So on the left it says, I want you to think of base 10 blocks. There are 100 of them in a flat, and that makes one whole. Between these whole numbers, we don't have 100 tick marks, so we can't count by ones. We only have 5 tick marks. What that tells us is that we need to split those hundredths into fifths. So now if you go to the other post-it, it says 100 divided into fifths is 20. So each of those little sections of the number line is counting by 20ths, or the decimal forms of those, which as you can see, those are all equivalent. Now, once you've figured that out, all you do is you start at 3 and you make jumps of 20 at a time. So it would be, the first jump would be 3 20ths, then 3 40ths, and then you would stop on 3 60ths, or in this case, 3 6/10. Okay, so here is number 6 of our Fast Test Prep for 5th grade under the Number Sense and Operations umbrella. If you'd like to pause the video here, now would be a good time to do that. Otherwise, stick around so you can watch me solve it.
I wonder what the answer is. Let's go ahead and take a look.
Okay, now that you've had a chance to try this one on your own, I'm going to go ahead and read the problem out loud to you. It says that Mariana is sorting 73 pictures for her album. If each page holds 5 pictures, how many pages will she fill completely? It's a pretty straightforward division problem here. I'm going to show you both methods, partial quotients method and the standard algorithm method. So we have 73 divided by 5. We'll do our memory bar down. Remember, we want to take a big chunk of 73 away. So I do 5 times 10 to get 50. We do our subtraction and we're left with 23. At this point, it's pretty basic math. You can get 4 more 5s out of 23. So we put a 4 on the memory bar. We do our subtraction and we're left with a remainder of 3. I'm going to go ahead and show you how this problem looks the standard algorithm way so you can see the comparisons of the two. We have our same dividend of 73 and our same divisor of 5. This time we ask ourselves, how many 5s can I take out of 7? And the answer is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down the 3, which I forgot to write, but there's 23 there. So how many 5s can we get out of 23? It's 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Do your subtraction and you're left with the same remainder of 3 that we got with the other method. However, the answer is not 14 remainder 3. The actual answer to this problem is 14 because the question very clearly says, how many pages will Mariana fill? Those remaining 3 photos, they get a page, but their page will not be filled, so they don't count for the answer. The final answer here is just 14.
That's all for today's video. As you progress through this series and the other included standards, you're arming yourself with the necessary tools to perform very well on the FAST test. I sense some level 4s and 5s are on the horizon. So long until next time. As always, don't forget to find your Math Zen.